Ever feel like your Mazda's interior is missing that little something extra, that touch of sportiness and refinement? Well, this genuine Mazda alloy pedal might just be the answer. It's not just a simple add-on. It's a genuine accessory designed specifically for your 2014 Mazda 3, Mazda 6, or CX-5, and it makes a surprisingly big difference. The part number is BHN1V9095, and it's for the footrest, not the actual pedals, which is important to note. Installation is straightforward, as you'd expect from a genuine part. It clips or screws into place, transforming that blank piece of plastic into something much more substantial. The alloy construction feels premium, giving the footwell a much more finished and upscale look. It's the kind of detail that enthusiasts will appreciate, adding a subtle but noticeable touch of sportiness to the cabin. Beyond the aesthetics, there's a practical element too. The textured alloy surface provides a more secure footing than the standard plastic, especially if your shoes are a bit damp. It feels solid underfoot, and while it's just a footrest, it contributes to the overall feeling of quality and driver engagement within the car. It's a small upgrade, but it's one that genuinely enhances the driving experience by making that often overlooked footrest feel like a proper part of the car's performance-oriented design. It's a shame it's not a set, but as a standalone piece, it's fantastic. In the end, this genuine Mazda alloy footrest pedal is a fantastic little upgrade. It's well made, looks great, and adds a touch of premium feel and practicality to the interior of compatible Mazda models. It's a simple way to elevate the driving environment.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.